Hello developers. Today we are going to build an interactive 2048 game in node.js. By the end of this video, you will have a working model that you can customize and use in your own project. The popular 2048 game was originally created in the terminal, but many implementations have been in other languages. The objective of this project is to implement the game in node.js. This is a very simple 2048 game built with node.js, VSCode and HTML. This game is designed to be easy to use and modify. You will also build a similar solution today. We'll be using a Kandi kit to build this solution. Now what is a Kandi kit? Kandi one-click install kit gives you ready-to-deploy solution with a complete source code. You can access many more such ready-to-use Kandi kits on augmented reality, artificial intelligence, blockchain, gaming and many more on Kandi. Today we'll be using a popular Kandi kit which is 2048 game one-click install kit. Now this kit is open source and comes with a permissive license. That means you can freely edit, customize and share your own solution. Let's get started then. Over to you Sai Niveta for the hands-on walkthrough.
Hello, hope you are all excited to build your own 2048 game in node.js. To build our own game, all we need is a browser, which is completely of your own choice. Since we do not require any dependencies, we will not be installing any requirements, and an IDE which is completely of your own choice with which you are comfortable with. Everything that you need is available in Kandi Kit. Let's start by installing the Kandi Kit. Check the description for the link to the installer. You can download the one-click installer here, or you can follow the instructions provided to set it up manually. This will set up a working Sandbox application with all the prerequisites and resources. You can pause the video now to complete the installation. Once done, hit resume and we will jump right into building our own application. Great, hope you are all set. Once you have successfully completed the setup, you can see the game is started in your browser. But before playing, let's have a closer look into the code. Index.html is the file where all the JavaScript files are being printed. Inside this style folder, all CSS and fonts which are being used in our code are added, which makes our game more interesting and interactive. In GameManager.js file, all the main functionalities of the game are being built, like moving the tiles and restarting the game and keep on playing even if you have won the game. Inside this anonymous function, current game score and best score of all our previous game are being calculated and stored. In keyboard input manager.js file, all the arrow keys for the tile movement are being mapped. Inside this local storage manager.js file, score states and the tile states are being maintained. Now let's play the game by launching the new game. Use arrow keys to merge the tiles. Your score will increase if you merge the tiles of same number. You will win the game if you form a tile of 2048. Now you have your own 2048 game in your hand. Let's see how you can custom this solution now. As I have said earlier, all the gaming functionalities are built inside this GameManager.js file. We need to modify it for our custom game. Say for example, if you want to change your winning score to be 1024, we need to modify it here. I'll change it to 1024 and I'll save the file. Similarly, to make the changes in the UI, let's do some more modifications in the index.html file. We need to modify it in title tag and inside this h1 tag. Also inside this strong tag. Now let's save this file and refresh the browser. This is our custom game. You can start playing this. And here is your custom 2048 game with the new winning score.
Hope you found this session useful. You can find the link to the 2048 game kit and many other ready to deploy kits in the description below. Head over to Kandi to build incredible projects on augmented reality, artificial intelligence, blockchain, gaming and many more. Try out Kandi kits now. Hit that subscribe button and join us at the OpenWeaver community of developers to learn more and build many more incredible projects. Thank you for watching this session. Till the next one, bye-bye.